Hi everyone and welcome back. Today is a very special day. Today is National Children's Day. And today guys, I'm going to be giving away to one lucky child one of these tablets. I wish I could give every child in the world one, but I could only get one to give out. So let me tell you guys a little bit more about this tablet. This is the Dragon Touch and it's the Y88X Pro for kids. It has Disney Story Central. It includes top rated content from read along Disney digital books, and also it's featuring beloved characters from the Disney and Disney Pixar movies. So what's in the box? We have a 7-inch multi-touch tablet, matching silicone case with stand, a user manual, an AC adapter, and a micro USB cable. So let's go ahead and open this up. I know my son is going to be so excited when he gets this. This is it in here, and at the top here is where you will find the power button, and you guys saw that it came on. So let me just put this down for 1 second because I want to see what else is in the box. We got a pink case, but that's okay. This comes out. Let me take this out. So this pops out, comes down, and then there are different levels, and it goes back up by just pressing. Okay, so you guys see how easy that is to use. Okay, so let me put the tablet into the case. It's very easy to maneuver. You just have to pull it around and it goes on really well. Nice and steady. And you see the camera is there, and then we have where you can put in an SD card, and here is the speaker at the back. So guys, my tablet has been set up. It took a little while, so I didn't want to share that with you all because it would have been a long waiting process. So I set it up and everything is working, and now the kid could go ahead and use the tablet. I did drag the YouTube onto the screen so that he can find it easily. And if you were to go here and then you hit play movies, you're going to get a list of movies that you can watch, including the Disney movies and all of the kid movies. So guys, to be entered into this, you'll need to have a US address because the company will only ship it to someone that has a US address. So if you have a US address, you can enter, or if you even have a skybox, because that's a US address, you can enter. I'm sorry that this giveaway couldn't be open to everyone, but I'm just going with the rules that the company that's sponsoring this set out. So leave a comment in the description box. Say, hi Natasha, my name is, my child is, how old the child is, and where in the US you're located. And if you're from Trinidad, say where in Trinidad you're located if you're using your skybox as a US address. So good luck to everyone. Happy National Children's Day today. I wish you all nothing but love. Follow your dreams, and good luck to the lucky person who is going to win this. The results would be posted 1 week from today. Bye everyone. Have a good one.